The human spirit, what is it? What can become of us as individuals? How can we plunder our best form? The form that takes us to levels that our legacy is just, well, inevitable. In our previous video, we explored the importance of setting goals, the roadmap to a purposeful life. If you haven't seen that video, you can find the link below pinned in the comments. Today, we embark on a journey that resonates with the very fabric of human experience, the path of failing until you can fail no more. That's right. To gain, to succeed, to elevate greatness, we have to fail and then fail again. So, failing. It's a word that often carries a heavy weight, a word we shy away from. But what if, just for a moment, we reframed failure? What if we saw it not as a roadblock, not as a fear, but as a stepping stone to a future us? The truth is, every great story is woven with threads of failure. From the pioneers of the past to the present-day trailblazers, they've all faced setbacks. But here's the catch. It's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you get back up. Take the hits and move forward. Imagine if you learn just 1% every time you have a setback. That would be some person you are becoming. Find value in this method and never be too ignorant to proud.
Because going in one round when you don't think you can is all the difference in your life. You know what I mean? That's what makes all the difference.
Picture this. Thomas Edison faced over 1,000 failures before inventing the light bulb. J.K. Rowling's manuscript for Harry Potter was rejected numerous times, yet they persisted. Why? Because failure wasn't the end. It was the necessary journey to success. That moment of inspiration, that click to succeed, it often arises from the ashes of failure. It's the phoenix that soars when you decide you can't fail anymore. The turning point, when the thirst for success becomes insatiable. So, here's a challenge for you. Embrace failure. Understand that it's not a sign to stop, but an opportunity to grow. Let each stumble be a stepping stone, and watch how your journey transforms. You see, the brick wall of setbacks might seem impenetrable, but remember, every brick you place after a fall builds a stronger foundation. And, as you navigate the twists and turns, keep asking the fundamental questions. Why do you strive for success? The answer lies within the depths of your purpose, the fire that fuels your journey. Success isn't just a destination, it's the echoes of resilience, the testament to your unwavering spirit. So, to achieve greatness, you must have a book of resilience, a journal of experiences that you have compounded, that knowledge of mistakes you inherited over time. As you face challenges and setbacks, remember this: embrace failure until you can fail no more. Let the journey of falling and rising be the symphony that propels you to the success you deserve. Here are 10 quotes to ponder on, to take with you. 1. Failure isn't fatal, but failure to change might be. John Wooden. 2. Everything you want is on the other side of fear. Jack Canfield. 3. Success is most often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Coco Chanel. 4. Only those who dare to fail greatly can ever achieve greatly. Robert F. Kennedy. 5. The phoenix must burn to emerge. Janet Fitch. 6. If you're not prepared to be wrong, you'll never come up with anything original. Ken Robinson. 7. Giving up is the only sure way to fail. Gina Showalter. 8. If you don't try at anything, you can't fail. It takes backbone to lead the life you want. Richard Yates. 9. Failure should be our teacher, not our undertaker. Failure is delay, not defeat. It is a temporary detour, not a dead end. Failure is something we can avoid only by saying nothing, doing nothing, and being nothing. Dennis Waitley. 10. When you take risks, you learn that there will be times when you succeed, and there will be times when you fail, and both are equally important. Ellen DeGeneres. If this resonates with you, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that like, and together, let's build a legacy of resilience. Until next time, stay inspired.